Hey everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to start the AutoCAD training and tutorials. Again, I am going to say that we are used AutoCAD software for two-dimensional drawing. Generally, many years ago, for any component of mechanical industry, we are drawing first drawing sheet and then going to production. But it is very complex and harder. It will consume high time. After all the procedure, any changes and modification in drawing sheet cannot be happen. But, after developing the software, the making of sheet in software is very easy and faster than drawing by hands. Also, modification is possible. Now, we are starting our training. First of all, you have to install the AutoCAD software. You can also download student version of that. The links given in description. After installing software, you have to open the software by clicking the AutoCAD setup. I am using AutoCAD 2018. You are free to choose any version of AutoCAD. But I suggest you to choose the version of AutoCAD 2015, 2016, 2017 or 2018. It takes some time to open. It is the initial screen of AutoCAD. Here you can select the different types of file extension and click on this button. You can also open the previous files, which is already saved on your computer and saved by you. Click on Start Drawing for opening the new drawing file. It is the working area of AutoCAD drawing. It is the application menu, which consists New, Open, Save, Import, Export, Print. It is the Quick Access toolbar, which consists Application Menu tool. You can also select Tool and save your time. It is version of AutoCAD. And it is the file name of your drawing. It is Panel, which consists specific command aligned to specific panel. For example, Insert Panel consist Insert command. Annotate Panel consist Annotate command. It is the File tabs. You can add new files from click here, as well as delete from click here. It is the Minimize, Maximize and Close option for file. And it is the Minimize, Maximize and Close option for software. This is Q box. I suggest don't change in that position. I will cover specific video on that. This is UCS icon, which full name is Universal Coordinate System. If you scroll your mouse for zoom in and zoom out, the position of UCS icon is changed. Just right-click and select the UCS icon setting. And unselect the Show UCS icon at origin. UCS icon is fixed at bottom left corner. It is command line. If your command line is not shown, just press Ctrl+9 from keyboard. It is the customization menu. But don't disturb that. I will cover all tabs in next videos. It is the basic information about AutoCAD screen. I will meet you in next video. Have a nice day.